It is April, a new month, which means Epic Games has gave us another 5 free assets. All these assets are free for the month of April 2024. So, first of all, we got the Ancient Golem. This is a low poly character that you can download for free now. It cost 55 euros before and now it's free. The asset is rigged to the Epic Skeleton, which means it also has the IK bones, which are included in the asset. Sadly, it's not animated, but you can do that yourself with the inverse kinematics bones. The model itself has a vertex count of around 60,000 vertex and 3 materials with a total of 9 textures, which are all in the resolution of 4K. The asset supports both Windows and Mac. Now onto the second asset, which is a really nice stylized clay forest village pack. First of all, there are 42 clay-like props, foliage, including houses, props, trees, flowers, and runtime virtual grass included in this asset. Runtime virtual grass allows for the grass to sample the color of your landscape when placed with the foliage tool. The asset also includes a variety of materials which can all be edited with many parameters for tweaking how each material looks. With the material, you also get global wind parameters, for example for trees and flowers, so they sway in the wind, as well as a toon outline and another post-processing material. They are there to produce a shader which almost looks like painted, or in this case like clay. You also get some really nice particle effects, including wind trails, chimney smoke, and ambient dust. And you get a landscape material that looks like clay and a water material. All textures in this pack are in a 2K resolution. As the third asset, we have a cloud lighting system which has 2 different light source types, one being the point light and the other one being a spotlight. You can set it up really easily and it is network replicated. Not only is it network replicated, but you also have a bunch of different customizable parameters, for example intensity, color, or fall off type. The best of all is the asset is compatible with any material and it works in runtime. The next asset is a Gothic Cathedral. It is a completely modular asset pack with a fractal based design pattern and also engravings. It has around 158 individual meshes. The asset does not include the trees and bushes, but I think it's definitely worth it if you also consider the fact that it has CC0 content used in the pack. The last asset is also another really high quality environment asset. It is the Watermills and Nature Environment. The pack itself is really high quality and has a lot of attention to detail. It has around 80 different unique meshes with custom collision added to them, as well as up to 4 LODs and 112 materials with 238 textures, which are in the resolution from 1 to 2K. Again, this pack also supports Windows and Mac. The only question I have left is, for what would you use these assets? And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode. Have a great day.